Are you also managing a pet grooming business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for pet grooming service. So here, as an owner of a pet grooming business, I am receiving multiple inquiries from customers and pet parents related to pet grooming sessions, appointments, bookings, as well as pet care tips. Manually handling each of the inquiry and message is a time-consuming process. Therefore, I have decided to set up a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to handle all my WhatsApp inquiries from customers as well as automate the responses effortlessly. And I'm going to create this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for your business, if you also want to learn the process of this WhatsApp chatbot, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for pet grooming service. So here, as an owner of a pet grooming service, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries related to pet care tips, appointment for the pet grooming, classes, as well as handling each of the query and the messages manually is a time-consuming as well as confusing task. Therefore, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to handle entire WhatsApp messages which I'm receiving for my pet grooming services, and it is going to automate the responses. Now, I have created this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, before moving forward, let me show you that how this chatbot which I have created is actually going to work when the customer is going to send us the inquiries. So whenever a customer is going to send a WhatsApp message for my pet grooming services, including any of the keywords such as pet, grooming, care, appointment, etc., then the chatbot which I have created is automatically going to start, and it is going to start responding to the messages of my customers automatically. So let's suppose I'm going to send a message for my pet grooming services as a customer. So let's say I'm going to send, "Hello, I want to book appointment for pet grooming." As I send the message, I have received a reply from Perfect Groomers, and it is saying, "We specialize in making your furry friends look their best. Before we begin, may I know your name?" It is asking me the name. So let me provide the name. Let's say test user. Now it is addressing me automatically with my name. "Thank you, test user. Could you also share your email?" So I'm going to provide the email. Let's say, as soon as I've sent the email, it is replying me, "How we can help you today? Choose one." It is providing me some buttons. When I'm going to select one of the button, let's say services, it is giving me the details of the services which the pet grooming service are providing. So in this way, chatbot is going to work, and it is going to handle all the messages which you are receiving from your customers and automate the responses. Now how we can create this chatbot ourselves? For that, I'm going to show you step by step that what you have to do. For that, first of all, I will take you towards Pabbly Chatflow, as we are going to create this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So Pabbly Chatflow is a new platform in the house of Pabbly which will help you to manage your WhatsApp conversations, whether it is sending and receiving WhatsApp messages, managing templates or contacts, or sending WhatsApp messages broadcast campaigns. You can do all of that using the single platform. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to automate our WhatsApp messages, our inquiries, as well as WhatsApp responses to our customers. So let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/chatflow/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks to try Pabbly Chatflow for free every month, with the help of which you can create chatbots and you can explore this amazing software. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create the chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow, as I told you. So let's click on access now in order to log into the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. After coming on the dashboard, here you can see that we have WhatsApp message credits that are allotted to us. We have the credits that we have consumed, and then we have the credits that are remaining with us. You can manage all these credits from here on the dashboard. Then we have multiple other features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well. We have already created separate video tutorials for each of the feature to explain each feature in detail. If you want to learn all these features, you can just go and watch the video from our YouTube channel. Although I am also going to explain each of the feature to you in brief. So first of all, we have inbox, where you can manage all your received as well as sent messages. By using Pabbly Chatflow, you do not have to open your WhatsApp app again and again. You can manage all the received messages as well as sent messages from the same place. So you can also see the status of the message which you have sent, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. Then we have contact section, where we can create different list of contacts. We can add our customers, leads or clients separately in different lists on the basis of their requirements, preferences and choices. And then further we will be able to send separate messages to these separate lists. Then we have the team queue section, from where we can assign chats of different customers or different clients to our team members on the basis of segregation. So we can segregate chats and assign it to our team members, or we can use round robin method to assign chats to our team members. Also, we can track the performances of team members, whether they are responding to the chats properly or not. Then here we have the template section, where we can create creative customized templates to be sent to our customers along with media, documents, files, etc. We have broadcast, where we can send mass messages to different list of our contacts with the help of templates in the customized format. And then we have the flow section, with the help of which we are going to create our chatbots. So here I'm going to take you towards flows now from the left side, and we will start creating a flow over here. So to start with the flow, first of all, you have to go towards this add flow button. After clicking on that button, a blank flow is ready. So first of all, let's name our flow. Basically, we are setting up a WhatsApp chatbot, and how the chatbot is going to work. For that, we are setting up a flow over here, that when we'll receive a message from our customer or a client, what message we want to send next. Then further, on the basis of that message which we are sending, when the customer is going to send us another reply, then further what we are going to communicate. Okay, in this way the flow is actually going to work. So first of all, let me provide a name to my flow as Perfect Groomers Bot. Perfect Groomers is the name of my grooming service. Now here, after giving the title to my bot, let's start creating it. So first of all, you have to decide your flow start. When you're going to receive what kind of messages from your customers or from your clients, then you want to start your flow every time. You want to start your bot. So here, in the messages of my customers, I am identifying some of the keywords. When I'm going to receive those keywords as messages from my customers, then my flow should start. So I'm going to identify some of the most common keywords according to my business, according to my grooming services that I could receive from my customers, such as to start the communication, the customer could use hi, hello, hey, or start, or they can mention in the messages pet or grooming or care or help, etc. These could be my keywords. So one by one, I'm going to enter all the keywords which I think. So let's say first of all, the keyword is hi. How you're going to enter the keyword? You will simply enter the word which you want to use as keyword, and when you're going to put the cursor on that word, and when you're going to click over here like this, it will turn into blue and the word will be added as keyword. The next could be pet or care or grooming. In this way, I could have multiple possibilities of keywords. But if I'm going to enter all the words like this separately in the keyword section, when I'm going to receive full sentences or paragraphs from my customers, the keywords will not be identified and my flow is not going to start every time. Therefore, here, as you know, most of the times I could receive messages in the form of long sentences. As you can see, as a customer, I have sent a message, hello, I want to book appointment for pet grooming. I have not sent a specific word, just hello or just appointment or just pet. I have sent a long sentence. My bot should identify keywords from this long sentence as well, and it should start the bot automatically after identifying the keywords from long messages. It should not wait only for the exact words. Therefore, here we have to enter the keywords in the form of regex. Regex is actually regular expressions. When we are going to enter the keywords in the particular format in regex, then whether we are receiving exact keywords in the correct form or we are receiving the keywords in sentences or in different dynamic messages, the keywords will be automatically identified and the bot is going to work then as well. So here there is a particular format of regex. How you have to enter? You will have to enter /b, small b. You will open the bracket and you will start entering your keywords. So here, let's suppose my first keyword is hi. Then you have to separate this keyword with this /. Then you have to enter the next keyword, hello. Then again, hey. Then let's say pet, grooming, care, help, booking, appointment, or let's say tips or offer or price. Okay, these are some of the possible keywords which I could receive for my pet grooming services as an inquiries or doubts from my customers. Now, after entering all the keywords which you want, what you have to do, you have to close the bracket. You have to again enter the slash like this, and you have to enter small b. So in this way you have entered your regex. Now in case if some of the keywords which you have entered are case sensitive, you can toggle this button on like this. Now whenever you're going to receive the keywords in the form of messages or exact words in any of the format, whether in capital letters or in lowercase, your flow is going to automatically start. The bot is going to automatically start responding to the messages of your customers because we have entered the keywords in regex format. Okay, now after this what you have to do, when we have started the flow, when we have received the messages from our customers, the keywords are identified and the flow is started. Then what you want to send as response? First of all, I want to ask name of my customer so that I can communicate with the customers further by addressing them with their name. In this way, I will be able to make my communication with the customers more personalized and customized, and they will feel more engaged. Okay. To ask the question, to ask the name of my customer, I will have to go towards action. And over here, I can see the option of ask question. With this, I can ask the question from my customers. So I'm going to quickly drag this ask question like this over here. And I'm going to connect this ask question with my flow start. Now, what question you want to ask? I want to ask the name of my customer. So here I'm going to enter the question. Hi there, welcome to Perfect Groomers. We specialize in making your furry friends look their best. Before we begin, may I know your name please? And here I have sent a message. Also, in order to make some details bold, I have used stars. In the similar manner, you can make your messages more customized. When I have sent this message, I want name of the customer as reply. And here, in order to automatically save the name as contact, I'm going to select contact custom field from the drop down. So the contact custom field over here will be full name. Then in which format you want to receive the name? In text format. So I've selected text over here. Apart from this, if you want to provide the attempts, if the customer or the client is going to make any mistakes, they want to reattempt their name, they can use attempts if you want to provide them. Okay, so you have to enter the number of attempts you want to provide. I'm providing only single attempt. If you want to send a validation message along with that number of attempt, you can also enter it over here like this. Now, as I told you, when you have selected contact custom field as full name, when you are going to receive the reply from your customers with their name, that name is going to be automatically saved in Pabbly Chatflow. And further in your communications, you will be able to automatically use that name to respond to your customers. Okay. Apart from name, I also want to collect the email address of my customers so that I will be able to send email campaigns related to new service catalogs, new price offers, etc. to my customers on time to time. Therefore, I will select ask question once again and I'm going to drag it like this. I'm going to connect ask question like this once again with the name question. And now this time I'm going to enter the message which I want to send in order to collect the email. So here we have thank you. I have used a variable over here with the $sign and I have entered the contact custom field, that is full name, in the exact format so that the name of the customer could appear over here. Could you also share your email address so we can send appointment details? In the similar manner, you can also use customer's name with the help of this variable by adding $sign in front of that. Then here this time I want to collect the email and it is in the email format. Now, after this, after I have received the name as well as the email address, I want to send other messages to my customers regarding the services or offers we provide. Before moving forward towards sending that message, you can see that here we have multiple actions and messages. So in the field of messages, here we have text button, we have media button with the help of which you can send media. List option, if you have multiple options to be sent, we have a limitation of 3 buttons. But if you want to send more than 3 options, you can use list feature over here. Then we have catalog message where you can send catalogs of your services or products. We have single product option, multi-product and templates. Then in the actions, we have to ask questions, ask address, ask location, ask any media or anything. So you can use all these features according to your requirements, according to your business in order to set up your WhatsApp chatbot. Currently, I want to send a text message. So I'm going to drag this step like this. I'm going to select text plus button. My message should contain button as well. So here I have selected message plus button. I'm going to provide only 3 options to my customers currently. Therefore, I have used the button field. If you want to provide more than 3, then you can use list as well. Okay. So the message which I want to send is, great, Again, I've used a variable for full name. How can we help you today? Choose one. And I'm going to provide the buttons which the customer can select. So first button is for services, if they want to explore the services which we provide. Then the second button will be for book now, if they want to book any services. If an existing customer who already knows about the services click on this button, they will be redirected how they have to book for the appointment. Then we have pet care tips. So now, for each of these buttons, I'm going to select separate messages. So in case if the customer or the client is going to click on the services button, then I'm going to tell them about the services which I'm providing in my pet grooming services. So again, the message will be, awesome, here are the grooming services we offer. So we offer basic grooming where we provide bath, nail trim and brushing, ideal for regular upkeep. Then we have the next service as full grooming. We have breed specific styling as well. Would you like to know pricing, duration or book now? So here I'm going to provide 3 other buttons. If the customer wants to know about the pricing for each of the services, they want to know the duration of the services, and if they want to book the service or book the appointment, three other buttons. So now we are going to provide the messages for each of these buttons as well. So first of all, if the customer in case select pricing, that means they want to know about the pricing. So here I have provided, here are our pricing list. So basic grooming is of $499, full grooming is of $899 and breed styling is of $1199. Prices may vary based on pet size. Would you like to book your service? So here I'm providing the option for booking the service again. Or in case if they do not want to book the service, they want to go back, I'm going to also provide a button for back to menu. Now, alright, if the person is going to click on this button back to menu, then they want to go back towards the menu section. So I'm going to connect this back to menu button with my menu section. Okay, in case if the customer wants to know about the duration of each of the service, in that case I'm going to send them another message as, here's how long each session takes. Basic grooming takes 30 to 45 minutes, full grooming takes 60 to 75 minutes and breed styling takes 75 to 90 minutes. Need help with booking? Again, I'm going to provide buttons for booking. After knowing about the duration, if any client or customer wants to book for the appointment or if they want to go back to the menu. If the person clicks on the button back to menu, then again they will go back towards the main menu. Okay, all right. In case if the person wants to book the appointment, in that case I'm going to provide them the appointment link along with the instructions. So the message is, great, let's book your pet's grooming session. To book an appointment, please visit at this appointment booking link from Calendly. I have inserted the link as well. Now, if the person wants to book an appointment, they can just click on this button. They will receive the appointment link. But apart from this, if they want to go back towards the menu as well, I'm going to provide them the button for that. And I will connect the back to menu button again with the main menu. Now here this is for the first message when the person is going to click on the button book now. Again, here we have the book now button. If they are going to click on this button, it will be redirecting towards the same message. Also in the similar manner, if in this step as well, the person wants to book for the appointment, they will be redirected towards this particular message. Again, here we have the book now option. So all the book now options are connected to this message where they are going to receive the booking link. Now, we have the third step left, that is pet care tips. In case if my client or customer select the option that they want to know about the pet care tips, so I'm going to send them another message in that case that will be, here's your quick pet care tip for the day. Brush your pet's coat 2-3 times a week to reduce shedding and prevent tangles. Would you like more tips weekly? Visit our blog for more helpful pet care advices, and I've also provided my blog link. Now here my flow is ready. Let me quickly rearrange the flow. We'll quickly click on save. You have to keep in mind that as soon as you are moving forward towards next step, you should keep saving your flow in order to prevent the flow from loss. Now, as soon as we have completed the flow, I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and I'm going to show you that how this flow is actually going to work again. So I will take you towards WhatsApp now. So on my business WhatsApp number, when somebody is going to send me a message. So let's say as a customer, I'm going to again send a message over here on this number as, hi, may I know about pet grooming services? As soon as I've sent that message, here I've received a reply. Hi there, welcome to Perfect Groomers. We specialize in making your furry friends look their best. May I know your name? So I'm going to provide the name, let's say as Smart User. As soon as I've sent the message, it is replying, thank you, Smart User. Could you also share your email? As I'm replying with the email address, it is providing me another message. Great, Smart User, how can we help you today? Let's say I'm going to click on this button, Services. So all the buttons which we have attached in the flow, you can see that here they are visible, and easily the customer could click on this button and they are going to get the replies. Awesome. Here are the grooming services we offer: basic grooming, full grooming, breed specific styling. I want to know about the pricing, let's say, of each of these services. So I'm going to click on Price button. And here it is providing me with the prices. Customers can solve their own queries automatically with the help of this bot. Now, if I want to click on this Book Now button, it is going to provide me the booking link. And if I'm going to click on Back to Menu, it is going to take me towards the main menu. When I'm going to click on Pet Care Tips, let's say, here it is providing me the pet care tips and providing me the blog link as well. So in this way, our flow is going to work. So you can see that very easily we have created this entire chatbot. We have built it successfully. And now we do not have to do anything. Once we have set up this chatbot, we just have to sit and relax. All our WhatsApp messages for pet grooming services will get automated reply and our customers' inquiries will be solved. So I hope the WhatsApp chatbot which I've shown you in the video is clear to you. It is helpful for your business as well. I've just shown you an example, but in the similar manner, by using these amazing features, you can create customized and creative chatbot for your business. I hope the video is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.